During the holidays, we could all use a customizable brunch without the time crunch. Hi, I'm Erin Good, a Hy-Vee registered dietitian, and today I'll show you a fun twist on bagel breakfast sandwiches to serve your overnight holiday guests that might make them want to stay over an extra night. Sheet pan egg-stuffed bagels. To begin, preheat your oven to 400 degrees. Then, line a large baking sheet with parchment paper. Next, cut 2 Hy-Vee bakery bagels in half and make a large hole in the center of each. Spread Hy-Vee butter on the cut side of each bagel half and set aside. On the parchment, spread an even layer of finely shredded Culinary Tours Gruyere cheese in 4-inch circles, leaving the middle open. Repeat this with finely shredded Soiree Manchego cheese. Then place the bagel halves, buttered side down, on top of the cheese. After that, arrange 2 to 3 Deluso ham or turkey slices in the center of each bagel hole to create a basket to hold an egg. Then, gently crack an egg into each deli meat basket. Bake this pan for 12 minutes, then loosely cover with foil after removing from the oven. Bake for another 8 to 9 minutes or until the egg whites are set. When that's done, lightly season with salt and pepper. To serve, garnish each bagel half with desired toppers like pico de gallo and avocado slices. And don't forget to get your flu shot at your Hy-Vee pharmacy and earn a 20-cent fuel saver. Plus, save time and get your COVID-19 vaccination and flu shot together in one appointment. Schedule your appointment online today at Hy-Vee.com.